take a moment to contemplate over the fact that there are numerous amounts of technological wonders existing at this very time period, right here, right now, that could change the world as we know it. We exist in the digital age, the information age, the technological age, call it what you will, but the period that we're living in is undeniably the period of time where technology is at a rising slope. You have regular cars becoming self-driving cars, games finding their way into virtual reality. We even have robots, mankind's own invention, doing jobs for us. But it seems to me that one thing isn't really changing much, and that's our schooling systems. Think about it. Our schooling systems have been the same since the Industrial Revolution. See, we currently adopt the factory model, once used to discipline children in order to prepare them for the days when they'd work in a factory. And overall, there hasn't been much of a change in the way we get taught relative to how everything else is growing. But there certainly is potential, and some school systems are implementing new techniques for the sake of change and development. What might those changes be? Let me give you an example. Sabas International School, the school that I happen to attend, has managed to start integrating tablets into their educational system, using ebooks to lighten the load of regular books and a system that allows for self-learning. Many also say that virtual reality might have a bright future in the classroom. With headsets getting considerably cheaper, future surgeons can watch surgery happen before their eyes. There's also a rise in 3D printing. Just picture it. Instead of looking at your textbook to view a scientific model, an organ, or a certain tool, you could have the actual thing right in front of you. These are only a few of the amazing things that technology can bless us with. But there's one more thing. Something that won't just change your future in the classroom, but may also revolutionize the future of the workplace. And that thing is artificial intelligence. Just imagine that you're sitting in a classroom being taught by an artificially intelligent teacher, one that knows everything there is to know, and one that is able to understand your every emotion and read your body language, ensuring that you're taking in information at a rate you're comfortable with. AI may also be very reliable for several jobs and may be able to help with patients that have mental disorders, convict criminals for their crimes, and take part in investigations. Now, although the creation of such intelligent systems is certainly something to marvel at, it inevitably is going to become the cause for debate topics on the question of consciousness and other philosophical outlooks on what being alive really is. It sounds like quite a stretch, doesn't it? Well, we'll never truly know until we get there. But one thing's for sure, we're headed in the right direction.